Hi guys, and welcome back to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new basic decor tutorial. I'm going to show you here this cute little basket idea. I made this out of this really cozy thread that has a little gib thread also. I have a smaller ball inside. It's actually not that small, but it's about 50 grams of wool, just to see the size that I just crocheted. You can obviously make this bigger if you wanted to. I have 2 rows here for height. It has like a little bit of a curve. I'm going to show you now how I did this. Have fun. Okay guys, so here we are with these 2 balls of yarn. I'm going to mix the wool just to have more of an overview. Just the green one here is very fuzzy and it's kind of hard to see what you're doing, so it's easier to have a gim thread with it. So here we have the Mila 2 Happy Hobby wool. It's 50 grams and 80 meters long. It's meant for size 5 to 6 crocheting hooks, and it's 100% polyacrylic. Then we have Marie yarn. This is very fluffy. It's meant here for 4.5 to 5 crocheting hooks. This I bought at Teddy. These are pretty short with only 25 meters, and this is 100% polyester. Okay, so I'm going to crochet with them together. So I'm going to use my size 12 here. This is my biggest standard hook. The next one is already a size 15. I'm not going to use that one today. This is my size 12. Okay, so in theory, the recommended size would be like a 9 or 10. But I'm going to make it just a little bigger, and yeah. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to take both of the beginning threads from the inside. Okay, and I'm going to start here with a magic circle. I'm going to put the threads into my hand, then I wrap them around, and then I poke through here and pull the thread through this loop, and then we can get started. Okay, so I'm going to take the thread here onto my hand, and I will start with 2 chain stitches, 1 and 2. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of unraveling here a little bit. With 2 threads, it's just a little easier to just see what you're actually doing. Okay, now we will go on in half double crochets, and we will do a total of 9 half double crochets. 1, 2. For the half double crochets, just always wrap the thread around the hook once, and okay, just like that. So I'm just going to pull it a little closer. Okay, so I'm going to show it here again. So, and then you go into the ring here, pull the thread through, you have 3 in the hook, and then pull it through all. Okay, so here again, pull through, pull a little tight here. I'm going to count. I have the chain stitches and I have 4 half double crochets. 5, 6, 7. Okay, pull it a little tighter here. 7. 8. And count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have our 9. Then we will take the beginning threads here and make them really small. So pull on them so that the ring gets small until the middle is fully closed. And then we will go here around the chain stitches and close this first part off with a slip stitch. Okay, so here on the outside, we have more of a structure, kind of. You can already kind of see it. And I'm going to take a little more wool here, and I will do another round of increases. So I'll do 2 chain stitches, then I'll go into the same stitch, and I will start with my half double crochets, and then in every other stitch we will add 2 half double crochets, and with that it's going to stay nice and flat and round. Okay, you can see here this is really nicely getting big a lot faster, so that's nice when you're crocheting with various threads, and obviously a big crocheting hook, you can make progress very quickly. Okay, another 2. And then here into the stitch as well. Take some more wool. Okay. Making sure here that both threads are nice and parallel. Then we continue. You can see here the arc already. Here, unfortunately, we have a bit of a situation in the wool. That's not a problem though. Okay, then another half double crochet, and we continue. We go into every stitch. And then we reach the last one. Half double crochet, half double crochet, and then here again a slip stitch to connect the chain stitches from the very beginning with this last one. And then here we already have our base circle. In the next round we will not add another increase. So this is basically the floor or the ground of our basket. And then now, because we're not going to do any increases in the next row, and I'm pulling out here the rest of the wool, so that should be done also. So yeah, we're not doing any more increases in the next round, but we will do 2 chain stitches, and then in the next stitch we just continue, and I will simply just add a half double crochet per stitch, so just 1. And then you can already see here the difference. So before it was flat, and now maybe we have a quarter here or a third of the next row. Just a really small piece here. You can already see that this is already like growing upwards. Just because we didn't add any increases, and because of that we're not making the circle any bigger, just taller. Okay, then here you can see the shape again. That's kind of, emerging here. We still have the thread here, or you can just pull it inside out, and then you have the thread on the back. But either way, it doesn't really matter because you still have to hide it anyways. I'm gonna push it backwards through. We'll pull through. And then we will do another row here. Obviously you can do this as high as you wanted to. So from here, if you don't do any more increases, it just continues going upwards, right? Here we are at the end of this row. I'm going to close it off here again with a slip stitch, but I'm actually going into the stitch of the row before, and because of that it's going to kind of be a little tighter. And then I'm going to cut the thread here, pull the thread through, and then we are done with this part. You can see it's almost even tighter at the very top, so it has like a curve in the way up. I'm going to pull the threads through here to the inside for now, just like that. And then here you can already see the nice like view, the nice optics already. It's a little you know, like not as calm because just we have the two different colors, and yeah, just we have a little more structure here because we have the gray wool. The mint wool here is a little like less unstructured, so you wouldn't be able to see the stitches as much, but I really do enjoy seeing the stitches. And because we have the different colors here, you can actually see the stitches much better, and you can appreciate the the pattern we chose. And yeah, I think this turned out really, really cute. You can, for example, use this for wool rests or leftover scraps. And this is about, yeah, this is just the size. You know, the green yarn would have not done that much more. It's only 25 meters, so it's really short. And yeah, just says here that it's really small for what to use. And yeah, I think this is actually really, really cute, and I hope that you really liked this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and hopefully I will see you back here next time at DIY Ideas. Bye guys!